First thing what you want to do is grab your flat wood and your cardboard, and you're just gonna stack them on top. So just like this, and now you got your pointy wood. So your pointy wood can fit in like this. Bam. Second step, you bring your two cardboards and you're gonna put them on the back. Just like that. So now you can put your arm like this. Okay, third, you grab your rubber band and you're gonna put it right where the pointy stick is, about right here. Just like that, you see? So now when you push it down, it comes back up. Push it down, it comes back up. Fourth, we got the screw, which we're gonna put it right here. Just like that, pretty easy. So now when you push it down and put it right in there, and just, it comes out easily. So that's pretty much it. You're done, and